Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tyler Arv'yia.
Put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark blue, purple, gold.
So today is gonna be like a little get ready with me. I'm about to go to a bonfire with Lex, y'all. We gotta listen to music and stuff. And it's basically gonna be this today, tomorrow video, and cause tomorrow is gonna be lit, y'all. So alright y'all, I'm gonna get in the shower and I'll get back with y'all. Bye. Bye. Because the light. Mom is Auntie Annie. These bitches drinking back here. Take this other hand. I'm trying to get my. I'll put this in the video. You know the jughead doing the best. Alexis. Damn, Tyler, everybody gonna know my name before me. I don't know who the fuck is everybody. Hey y'all, it's game day. Woo, 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 woo. Y'all, I'm still just trying to figure out. I already know what I want to wear, but I don't know what pants that I want to go with it. So, trying to see. Y'all, yesterday I had so much fun. I failed. Got a little cut right here, a little bump and bruise right here. But this the shirt. With these pants, but I don't want to wear these because it got this on the back. But I feel like I could cover them with this or with these pants. Yeah, I probably wear these real tree pants. Real tree pants? Does this mean they... Never mind, I ain't gonna say nothing stupid. Alright, y'all. So, I'm about to get dressed. Me and Lex about to go to the calf and open at 10. After that, we gonna rush and eat because I heard it's a lot of people there already. It ain't even 10 o'clock yet. Yeah. I gotta be ready at 10, so I gotta go ahead, y'all. I can't really talk to y'all right now, okay?
All night, wanna bring it to my house, on the couch, like a pissy out, get them out,
Where is y'all going? Where they going? Oh shit! Look at those motherfuckers. Don't know what I look. Y'all, we at the game. My friend Journey, Lex, of course. My other friends up there. Yeah. Me and Lex, it's about a random tent. She said, y'all hungry? Oh, hell yeah, we hungry. Water. Yo. Y'all know I'm a little YouTuber, so I gotta put this on my channel. Yep. Yeah. She said.
Get it, say it.